Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this little mini lavadora. So I had to interrupt my wedding vlog series just to review this because I got it in the mail sooner than I thought. It said it wasn't gonna get here till next month, but anyways, I got it yesterday and it was like the perfect timing because look, my beauty blenders are gross. I'm gonna link it down below, but I think now they have it. I got it for like $12 and it took maybe 2.5 weeks, but now they have it like if you have Prime you'll get it like the next day and it's $10 now. I'm like, really? But yeah, it's because it's viral. If you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna play it here. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I need to order this. So if you want to know if it works or not, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so it comes in this little box. I have no idea what it says, but it had like all the mini stuff. I want to order everything now. Look, it has all of this. It has all this mini stuff. I'm probably gonna order a mini microwave or something. Okay, so let's get started. And I have the thing for BoxyCharm, the one the girl used on the video, so we're gonna test it out. Okay, so first, I feel like it's cropping. Okay, add some water in here. I don't know if it has a max line. But I was supposed to put the jabon first, right? Sorry, maybe I was supposed to put the soap first. Then we're gonna add some of this. I don't know how much to put. And then we're gonna put, should I put the dirtiest one? Okay, let's do this one. This one has like setting powder. I'm excited. Okay, and you just put it in there. Oh, you have to be careful with this because when you close it, y a lavar. Oh my god, look, it's spinning. Ah! I don't know how long to leave it. Okay, I'm gonna do like 10 seconds. 1. I forgot to tell y'all, it has 2 AA batteries in here. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. A ver cómo está quedando. So far no ha quitado nada. Maybe I put too much water. Yeah, I think I did, because it's not really closing. I try to turn it, but it turns it upside down. Or, yeah, I try to turn it downwards and it won't do it. Why is it slowing down? Like, are the batteries ready? Oh, it looks like chocolate milk. I guess it kind of, it's cleaning it, I guess, kind of. Okay, hold on. I think all the jabón is at the bottom, so I'm kind of gonna... La voy a lavar a mano primero y la vamos a echar a la lavadora. Okay. I think it's soaking up all the water now. Okay, this was after, I don't know, 2 lavadas or 3? Like 2 lavadas. And I just squeezed the water out, but so it basically just spins it like a lavadora. So that's 1. Try putting less water, and I'm gonna put the jabon first. So first we're gonna put the jabon. And then the water, I'm just gonna put it like halfway porque no queremos gastar agua. And again, I'm gonna take this. This is how it looks before. Look, I'm gonna try to turn it upside down and it's gonna turn the other way. Okay. This is so cute though. Like, I'm having so much fun. I'm gonna time it. Let's see if I do 20 seconds. Babe, do you have white?
What?
Do you have dirty whites? Oh, I think that was 20. Okay, hold on. Ay. So this is, you can't really see it. It has that one. I guess let me squeeze it. It's still kind of dirty. It cleaned the bottom of it. Now we're gonna do another one. To squeeze out. Okay, it's cleaning it. It just takes a little bit. Yeah, I think after it gets heavier, it doesn't really spin anymore. Oh wait, it's going. Oh, cool. Do you ever see it? Okay, I'm gonna leave it like 30 seconds now. I'm gonna squeeze it over here. So this is what, my 4th time? But now it's going faster than chinga. I'm gonna open it so y'all can see it. Oh, I think the more times you do it, like the foamier it gets. So basically, yeah, it did clean it, but it's really like soapy. Look. So you're still gonna have to go in and rinse it out with water. So I don't know if I put too much soap or what. Okay. Maybe we're gonna try a little bit less soap. So maybe just like a pea size. Like that. And after this beauty blender, we're gonna try brushes. So we're gonna put it to the test, see if it cleans brushes faster. Add a little bit of water again. Oh, let's try a little one since we did a big one, so it won't take forever. I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, this one's going really fast. This one cleaned it with one lavada. Look. Do you see it? Okay, so it cleaned that one really fast. That just took one. Another pea size. And we're gonna try cleaning this brush. It has like brown in it. So let's try that. So just turn it on, put it in the center. Okay, this is after 2. Still not clean. Let's try one more time. Okay, now it did. Let's see. Can y'all see? It's kind of... Okay guys, so this is how they ended up. And this was a small one. Like, this one's pretty clean. Well, they're all pretty clean, and this one's a brush too. So basically my review is that it does clean, but it takes a little long. And of course it's a kid's toy, how is it not? But you basically have to do it like 3 times and maybe 30 seconds each time. So yeah, if you're trying to wash a lot, it's not gonna work, or it's gonna work, but it's gonna take you a while. So I suggest if you have kids or nieces or nephews and you want to kill time, just tell them to wash your beauty blenders or something. But yeah, that's my review. I just thought it was really fun and I think you should buy it. Look at how cute it is. Like, it's the best $10 you'll ever spend. And if you love makeup, it's just a collectible item. Thank you so much for watching. You get it? Washing. I know, corny. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed, and if you hit that bell, it'll let you know every time I post a video. I gotta get back to lavar mis beauty blenders, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.